This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Prof.L.B.Gayakawad is teaching today the topic of unity in religion by Bacon and the part 2nd, lecture 8. Today here we are discussing the part 3 source in religion. Means here in this essay Bacon is describing the 3 sources in religion. Bacon guides that the Christian people should give life to the church unity. To continue the unity, they shouldn't violate the laws of human society and human charity. To protect the church, the Christian people have the 2 types of swords. The first sword is spiritual at the custody of the clergyman in the church, and the second is secular and temporal under the control of the government. Remember here Bacon has told us the 2 types of swords. And sword is the particular symbol which is the symbol to bring the particular quarrel or war. Here Thomas Bacon exactly is telling that the administration of the government and the administration of the church, that is suppose the clergyman, these 2 powers are against each other or can be against each other, because the government does not like the church administration, that is the power, and the church does not like the government's power. So here Thomas Bacon has suggested the very much nice difference of the government administration and the administration of the church. He says the church invites these 2 souls to save when the problematic time comes. But the Christian people should not use the 3rd sword of the Prophet Muhammad, because this sword was a resource towards non-violence and war, and people were converted into the certain religions. Through this symbolic example, Francis Bacon criticizes that the soul's powers might have been used for better purpose, but they have brought the wrong outcomes outside. Remember, though these are the souls of the church, or these are the souls of the government, or these are the souls used by the saint or the stoic, but these souls are used by people, and really speaking the people are prejudiced of each other. It means every man fights for his caste, every man fights for his own pride, haughtiness, and that's why these swords are used wrongly. And in this way, these swords have been used wrongly according to Thomas Bacon, and that's why these swords have divided people into the groups, and the outcomes, the results which have come before the history, before the people, are very much bad. And that's why here Thomas Bacon has suggested like this. He has criticized the church and the government because the religious faith has been crushed due to the prestige points. Remember here, the prestige point, it means the point which is the selfish point. Means these swords are used only for the prestige point, for the impression point, or the point which is used for the haughtiness. And that's why, because of this haughtiness, the loss of the society, the loss of the religion has come before the people. And that's why here these type of swords should not be used according to Thomas Bacon. They haven't seen the well-being of the church as the main resource of man's existence. Remember, these people or the people who have used these swords, they have not thought of the welfare of the society. After all, the church is for the benefit of the society, the government is also for the benefit of the society. But the people who have used these swords have not seen well-being of the society, and that's why here the revolution or the division or the groups have come into the public, and the wrong outcome or the wrong result has come before the people. And that's why here Thomas Bacon is criticizing the administration of the church and the administration of the government. Now we are going to discuss here the next point, that is the revolution and injustice in church unity. It means that there is no unity in the church which is called the proper, sincere or good unity. The unity of the church is full of the revolution, it is full of the injustice, and that's why here Thomas Bacon has criticized this revolution and injustice in the church unity. There is no place to revolution and injustice to stabilize the unity of the church. Remember, if we want the particular unity in the church, or suppose anywhere if we want to bring the particular unity, there should not be any kind of revolution and there should not be any kind of injustice. The revolution and injustice, these are the 2 points which are really against the well-being of the society. And that's why here Bacon says that these 2 points should not be there because they are extreme and violate others' rights of existence as per Bacon. The revolution can be or is called upon against the dictatorship of the government. Remember, always the government leaves or sacrifices the moral values, and because of this they do not think of the unity, they do not think of the moral values, and that's why the revolution is brought by them or the chaos is brought by the government. That is the point which here Thomas Bacon has discussed. When the time occurs, it has been strengthened and decorated by the God. Remember, the revolution is not bad, it is essential also. But when the particular time comes, it is done by God Himself, because God comes and decorates and gives importance to this revolution. But when this revolution happens by the hands of persons, that revolution brings the loss to the society. That is the point which here our Thomas Bacon is describing. The religious works of man shouldn't interfere wrongly against man. That is the point. Man cannot make happy God, or man cannot please God by doing the evil and devilish activities. Remember, behind this revolution and behind this injustice, there are the evil ill, bad and devilish activities. And these activities cannot please God. And these activities cannot please people also. And that's why Thomas Bacon has not liked such activities in life. And now we are finishing, or we are ending the topic, that is conclusion. In the conclusion, we will say that Bacon says religious broken opinions call out breakage to faith, charity and peace available in man's life. There should be unity between the church and representative and the religious main. Revolution is insulted under the religion due to the wrong activities. All these are the things which are the guidelines, or I will say the conclusion, or I will say the message of Thomas Bacon. Christians should not oppose the government if they are honest and sacred. Means if the government is sacred, the people, Christian people, should not oppose this government or that government. But it is the point that no government is honest, and that's why the opposition is granted there. It will be an ideal example for the countries in the world. Means if the government is ideal, that is the important, sincere example for the people in the world. Bacon explains in the lawful speech with the quotations in the Bible. So this essay is eligible for scholarship. And so finally we can say that this essay is the scholar essay, or this essay is very much intelligent essay, because Thomas Bacon, the essayist, is very much scholar. So today we have finished the essay of Unity in Religion by Bacon. Again, we will come in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you. Thank you very much.